Greetings and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a relaxing weekend clean with me video. This was on a Saturday and it was Thanksgiving this weekend, so I didn't want to spend too much time cleaning. Just enough to spruce up my house so I could enjoy the rest of my weekend with my family. So if you're looking for some cleaning motivation, get on up with me and start cleaning, or just grab yourself a nice cozy cup of tea or coffee and relax. If you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle. So I sure would love it if you would click that subscribe button. Also, give me a big old thumbs up. So today was a cleanup and a spruce up of my entire house, but actually I've been getting into a really good routine of a weekly cleaning schedule. I love weekly cleaning schedules because that means I'm not stuck cleaning my house for an entire day or wasting an entire weekend. I break up my chores per the day of the week, including my laundry. Today was kind of just a once over, a quick spruce up, surface clean. But if you guys are interested in my cleaning routines and my weekly cleaning videos, I'll click to a link that I did a few months ago, but I think that I need to do an updated one. So this weekend was Thanksgiving and it was just gonna be the three of us, Ava, Mirik, myself, well I guess I can't forget my big old brown dog, Buster Brown. And we just hung around the house and it was really nice just to relax, keep it simple, just us three, spend some great quality time together. So if you're looking for some fall cozy vibes, I will definitely put the link to that video in the description down below. Make sure you guys check it out. It is so cozy and it is so relaxing. On my channel, I do videos about cleaning, routines, mommy videos. I homeschool my little one for preschool. Lots of hauls and recipes, everything to do with family and lifestyle. So you guys make sure you check out my videos and make sure you also click that subscribe button, especially with fall and my favorite time of year, Christmas. I'll be sure to upload some great content and I would love to have you join me here. I recently uploaded a video all about my evening cleaning routine. Do you guys have one of those? I'm telling you, It is such a great routine to get into. Now, let's be honest. As moms, not every day is perfect. And can we get to our to-do list every day? Absolutely not. But the days that I do get to my evening cleaning routine are so great because I know the next morning I'm going to wake up to a clean and tidy kitchen. It's the worst feeling waking up with a sink full of dirty dishes and knowing that you have to start your day doing one of your least favorite tasks. But I've been getting into this routine of every night after dinner, cleaning up my kitchen, cleaning up the floors, and then that way I can go to bed knowing in the morning I have a neat and tidy kitchen. It is a great way to start the day off. So make sure you guys check out that video. So we are almost on the home stretch here of getting my house back in order. I always like to finish off every cleaning routine of cleaning up my floors. Obviously, I jumped on the bandwagon with Go Clean Co. And this Tide, the powdered Tide laundry detergent is the best way to clean up my floors, especially with Buster going in and outside. He has big paw prints. Yes, he is an indoor dog. I always like to make sure that my floors are neat and clean and tidy, and this always seems to do the trick. And here comes my little buddy. She absolutely loves cleaning. I remember I loved it too when I was little. So I always like to give her the mop or give her a Swiffer. She loves to help mom out and she always feels so proud of herself because she's a big girl now. But look at her, she's got some skills. Maybe I should start dancing when I'm mopping too. So all of that housework took a lot longer than I actually thought it would, but I am outside now with my little munchkin here because it's Thanksgiving and this is what it's all about. So take care, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!